My name is Garrett Patricio. I'm the president of Westside Produce. We're a grower, packer, shipper of cantaloupes, honeydews, mixed melons. We're in Firebaugh, California at our cold storage facility, Westside Produce Cold Storage. So melons are a seasonal fruit. Melons are also a rotational crop. So from the perspective of growing melons, you want at least 3 to 4 years in between every crop. Commodity level, we grow cantaloupes, we grow honeydews, we grow mixed melons. From a variety standpoint, we probably have 12 different varieties of cantaloupes that we grow. We go as far south as Bakersfield and as far north as Tracy and everywhere in between. The California growing season usually starts in mid to late June and it'll run in through maybe the middle of October. California is a great place to grow melons because it has an ideal climate. We have very hot days, cooler nights. You want to see a big separation in temperature. So you want to see 30 to 40 degrees separation for the melon plants to properly rest. So the dry, arid conditions in California allow for perfect growing weather. And really what's special about Westside Produce is all of the families that we employ, day to day. And those families become your family. And I think the really unique part of agriculture is it's not just one generation, it's multiple generations.